Well, welcome back to Scouting for History. Today I'm not poking around in somebody's backyard. Well, there's a house there that I'll poke around in their backyard, but today I'm on a farm. So a guy reached out to me, very nice guy, and he invited me here. This is a neighbor of his, and he has permission to hunt here. He's only found a couple of things, but he invited me over to see what we can find. So stay tuned, here we go. Let's see what we can find. And the first find of the day is a wheat penny. On to something older. Here we go. Well, that sounded really good, but it's not. On to the next. Hey, where are the silver coins? Moo, moo. Well, at least it's a clad dime. A lot of trash. But hey, let's keep going. And there go the cows from one pasture over to here. Maybe they know where the treasure is. On to the next. Well, a minute ago I found a hinge. Now I found a doorknob. On to the next. Well, it's not terribly old, but I found Peanuts ID tag. On to the next. Well, finally, I got a good signal here. Dug down, I found a big piece of iron, but poked around a little, and there's a nice blowhole button. Beautiful shank on that. That's the 1700s for sure. Awesome. Old stuff is here. Outstanding. So they would, it's an early two-piece button, and they drilled holes in it. You can kind of see the holes there. So when they soldered the two pieces together, it wouldn't explode or deform or anything like that. It allowed the gases to escape. But that's before they figured out how to make two-piece buttons the way we have them today. Outstanding. On to the next. And now a tiny little toad. Oh, he's cute. Oh. Alright, bye, Mr. Toad. Now, I already found one hinge. It was just a modern hinge. This is a cool hinge. I'll see if I can't clean it up and get it to function again. That might be able to be repurposed. Awesome. On to the next. Well, best find of the day so far. It's a 1 real with a square nail hole in it. That is awesome. That's awesome. It looks like it's Philip. That would be mid 1700s, I believe. You can see right here, Philippus. Awesome. On to the next. Well, slowly here and there's some really good finds. There's an Indian head penny. It's awesome shape for being on a farm, but this isn't a fertilizer kind of farm. This is a cattle farm. Well, the cattle have their own natural fertilizer, but I don't think they come out here. And it looks like it's 18 something. I don't have my glasses. I can't see. On to the next. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a giant lead button. It was buried deep and it gave a good signal. I'll clean up and see if I can't figure out what it is. On to the next. You know, when I'm out here on the farm, I have this weird feeling that I'm being watched. Everywhere I go, the cows have been following me. They're very curious. On to the next. Well, that gave a really good signal. That looks like an old finial. It's lead. Very cool. Very old. On to the next. Well, down here in the hole, I have a chain. Let me see if I can get it out, see if there's anything on the other end. There it is. Well, that's cool. It's not iron. Awesome. On to the next. In so many yards, I find pieces of pocket watches. Don't know why it's just pieces, but oh well, on to the next. And all over the property are these barn cats. Now, barn cats aren't too friendly, so I'm not going to get too close, but they're everywhere. Nice kitty. Well, I worked my way up here close to the house, and there's an old lead spoon handle. Outrageously heavy for its size. Cool. On to the next. Had my hopes up for a silver dime, but an old drawer pull. Awesome. On to the next. Well, I see something big and green. Outstanding. It looks like a braided hair. Cool. Outstanding. I'll clean that up. You'll see that right here. Ah, there's still some. Oh, not looking at it, are you? Outstanding. Still old coins here, old stuff here. Let's go. Well, in the front yard, I found part of a pocket watch, and now here in the backyard, I found another part. I'm slowly building a pocket watch. On to the next. Buddy here helping me hunt. Sniff out the silver. Where's the silver? Good dog. And now down here, looks like it was a cuff link or something like that. That's cool. It's got a shield on it. I'll research it and see what meaning it might have, but that's cool. On to the next. And now a heel plate. Awesome. On to the next. And now a really old pewter spoon handle. It's all chipped around the edges. Oh, that's awesome. That's definitely very, very old. Outstanding. On to the next. Well, at first I thought it was a ring, but rings are usually beveled, and this isn't. Probably a pipe fitting of some kind. On to the next. Well, at first I thought I had a copper, but it's a dandy. It's a dandy of a button. Awesome. That's cool. Let's keep going. On we go. Well, that's going to do it for today. Long, hot day. Some really good finds, but a whole lot of junk. But hey, that's detecting. So really happy the guy lives down the street invited me here to this permission. It was awesome. Him and his kids were here digging too. Sadly, they didn't find a whole lot, but it was a great hunt. So don't forget, hit like and subscribe. Come along in the next one. We'll see you there.